Oxford experts of EBA summed up the results of the International Best Enterprises contests. The best companies from dynamically developing countries are honoured with European awards. The Best Enterprise and Manager of the Year award is presented to the Overseas Education Centre from Mauritius. The CEO and founder is Dr. Dorish Chitson. As it has been proven today, and once again we are lucky enough to have Dr. Chitson with us, who wishes to address us. Dr. Chitson.
Hello, welcome ladies and gentlemen from all over the world. I would like to thank the team at the EBA. I am very honored to be given this opportunity to address a short welcome note to all of those whose wonderful achievements are hereby being recognized and rewarded today. I wish a warm welcome to all of you, successful people who are contributing to make the world a better place. In this globalized world, we should have an edge by constantly adapting to an ever-changing world, both poignantly during these times of the COVID pandemic. Our innovative contributions in this challenging pandemic time show how the human being is outstandingly ingenious by adapting fast to the circumstances. Just like the EBA, my company has adapted to the actual pandemic context by going virtual. Indeed, I have been invited many times to attend many EBA Hour events in Cannes, France, and in Oxford, UK, but could not make it because of the distance and time constraints. But this time, here I am, live on the virtual platform of EBA to welcome you all. Everything is now possible thanks to our innovative flexibility in adapting modern technology to overcome all sorts of obstacles. I must say that this EBA Award is indeed a testament to the hard work myself and my team have put to maintain and solidify OVEX's leadership position in the student recruitment and consultancy industry in these last two challenging COVID years. We have adapted to these difficult times by going virtual, counseling students via Zoom and WhatsApp and phone, and harnessing the power of AI, social media, and technology to maintain our leadership in the education sector. We have created our own virtual education platform to organize conferences where students and universities can meet and interact online, just like we are doing with EBA now. Our virtual conferences were so popular that we organized them every 3 months, and our partners are still requesting to do more next year, even while the pandemic wanes. Against all odds, we have been able to separate ourselves from the field and have continued to assist our students in achieving their academic and career ambitions. Thank you again for this award. It has reaffirmed our strong belief in our calling to nurture the leaders of tomorrow. We look forward to the future with great hope and optimism. Warmest congratulations to all the award winners, and I wish you all a very enjoyable event. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all.
Thank you very much indeed, Dr. Chitson, and it is a pleasure to see you live. And to prove it was live, you even had a telephone call. Marvellous.
Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas.